can't believe I can't believe I deleted the index. I deleted the index. It's been a full year since I launched Mwmbl, back on Boxing Day 2021, which seems crazy. I can't believe how far we've come in that time. So the original version of Mwmbl was a few 100,000 pages indexed in a fixed index, even though it was incredibly basic. So there was enough interest in it to get it to the top of Hacker News, which was incredible. And where we've come since then is just unbelievable. So we now have an index that is continuously updated with millions of pages in the index. The thing that I'm proudest about is the community we've built since then. Everyone that has installed the extension and is crawling the web for us, just thank you so much. It's incredible. But there are also people who have gone way beyond that. So most importantly, Colin, who has been here since the beginning. So Colin's first commit was on January the 3rd, 2 days after I launched Mwmbl, and he basically just built a whole new front end. All of this he designed, built, everything. All the keyboard interaction and everything. It's beautiful and I love it. So thanks, Colin. So at that time there were a bunch of people that joined. There was quite a bit of excitement. And of course, over time, interest wanes, people get bored. I got bored. I wasn't doing as much on it as I am now or as I was then. And people slowly went away, which was hard. It's been fantastic recently. We've had a resurgence of interest, I think, since I started posting YouTube videos. And the community has really come back to life. Mwmbl, who has been working on the crawler extension, he created a pull request to make sure that the requests are done in English. In the crawler here, oh dear, we're still crawling this website. We're meant to not be crawling that website. Let me try deploying again. Here's another pull request from Mwmbl, improving how Spacey is installed. Spacey is a natural language processing library. Let's just merge that. I'm sure it's good. Oh dear. Okay, there's a bug. Storage. Deploy again. So it's not just Mwmbl that's come recently. So we've also had N90, who's joined us recently, and N90 has been doing some amazing marketing work for us. He created an Instagram story. He has created a Mwmbl Reddit. He's been posting stuff on Reddit. He's also been doing research on how we rank DuckDuckGo. It's fantastic. Yes, we also have Acadie. Acadie sent us a pull request for older browsers, which is really, and it's also using Vite to build our front end, which has really made things nicer. So yeah, I'm super excited to see how this community grows over the next year. As always, if you're interested in helping out, please do join us on our Mwmbl Matrix server. Even if you just want to see what we're up to, join us there. That's where all the news is. So we have 61 users in our Matrix server, which is crazy. Thank you everyone so much for joining us and supporting us there. Let's have a look at our crawler stats. So over the whole year, we've had 210 downloads, an average of 22 daily users at the moment, which is fantastic. If you can install this extension on Firefox, that would be fantastic, because it means we crawl more pages, and the more pages we crawl, the better our search results get. So please install it if you can. Deploy failed. And that offset is greater than file size. Type error, string object cannot be interpreted as integer. So I just deleted the index. The whole index has been destroyed, which is not great. I mean, we have all the data, so we can rebuild it, but it's going to take a while. It's a pity. It does look kind of empty. Okay, now it's gone. What a great way to celebrate 1 year of Mwmbl, deleting the index. Anyway, it will come back. We will have some stuff eventually. I think I'm just going to take out that code that deletes the index. Something is happening now. What's happening? So the application startup complete. So we created a new index. We loaded it up. Great big old empty index. Started the server. So it's going to start going through old stuff. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it go through very old stuff. Let's in fact have a look at how old can we go. October the 1st, 66 days. Let's make this bigger. Sizes don't match. Let's do another deploy. 1 year of Mwmbl. Just deleted the index. Well, let's see how quickly it can rebuild. Let's have a look at the logs. We've loaded the index. No deleting of index going on, which is good. We're loading some historical batches. It's not going to try and re-index any of those batches because it thinks they're all indexed. Connect to the database. So we've got some local ones and we've got some indexed ones. So URLs updated means we've updated the URLs but they haven't been indexed. So what we want to do is tell the indexer that all those batches need to be re-indexed. I mean, that's going to be a lot of batches. Okay, so we deleted the index, but it should have reloaded a bunch of stuff by now. So let's have a look and see. Something. There is some stuff here. There's some soup recipes. It can't be that bad. We're definitely missing some stuff, right? But there are some results, so it's not the end of the world. I wanted to show you how many URLs we've crawled. Okay, so stage 100 is crawled, and we have crawled over 64 million URLs. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to delete some of these, or not technically delete them, but update their statuses. These are the top pages ordered by score. We should really have all of these indexed. So what I'm going to do is, well, that's not too many URLs. Let's recrawl all of these URLs. Crawled. New. So I'm going to update anything with a score of 100 or more to new. So what I've done there is I've said all of those URLs where they've been crawled and they've got a good score, just crawl them again, basically. So what we should see is up here, you should see some of those big site names. Maybe add safe checks for yourself next time. meow now. I have another update to give you about community and money. Today's balance, $217.09. $116 from GitHub. Oh, this is how much we've got in total. Anonimo has given us $100. David Zeman has given us $30. Incognito has given us $5. Omasanori, again. Thanks, Omasanori. Nanabelle, Mattel, and Sailorcraft. For a total of $25, which is amazing. So thank you guys. It means such a lot that you believe in this project enough to donate to it, and it's so motivating to keep me going on it. So thank you. Okay, so here's what's happened to those 100 scored items. So we've still got 10,000 that are here, ready to be crawled, and we've got 5,500 queued up to be crawled. And all the rest have not yet been crawled, so I think we're going to see those pretty soon. Alright, thank you so much guys. See you soon. Peace.